If you hire the wrong company to remove Google reviews, you're wasting $500, and here's how to avoid it. Here's the problem. Most reputation companies can't touch 73% of negative reviews. Check if the review violates Google's 8 core policies before paying anyone a dime. Get 3 quotes from agencies. The average cost in 2026 is $450 to $800 per review. A competitor leaves a fake 1-star review on your Google business profile claiming you never delivered. Within 48 hours your star rating drops from 4.8 to 4.2 and bookings fall 22%. You try flagging it yourself, but Google rejects your request in 72 hours. Now you're searching for a company that can actually remove it. Here's exactly what separates the real agencies from the scams. The right company knows Google's 2026 enforcement rules and can dispute reviews that violate conflict of interest, fake engagement, or off-topic policies. Most people fail here. They hire the first company that promises 100% removal or guarantees results in 24 hours. Google does not allow any third party to guarantee removal. If a company promises that, they're lying or using black hat tactics that will get your entire business profile suspended. In 2026, Google's algorithm flags suspicious dispute patterns. One bad actor filing on your behalf can trigger a permanent ban. You lose your reviews, your ranking, and your entire Google presence. Find a company that specializes in policy-based disputes, not fake takedown requests. ReputationZilla focuses on Google Maps review disputes using Google's actual content policies. They file reports citing specific violations like impersonation, conflict of interest, or off-topic content. The success rate for policy-compliant disputes in 2026 is 64% when filed correctly. DIY attempts succeed only 18% of the time because most business owners don't cite the exact policy language Google's reviewers need to see. Ask the company for their average timeline and dispute process transparency. This is important. Legitimate agencies like ReputationZilla explain that Google's review team takes 3 to 7 business days to respond to a dispute. If a company says they'll remove a review in 24 hours, they're using fake engagement or reporting abuse, which violates Google's terms of service. A real agency will also show you the dispute submission, the policy they cited, and the follow-up escalation path if the first attempt fails. Here's the problem: if you skip vetting the company, you'll pay $600 upfront and they'll file a generic dispute with no policy citation. Google auto-rejects it in 48 hours. You're out the money and the review stays live. Worse, if they file multiple frivolous disputes, Google flags your business profile for spam. In 2026, 11% of businesses that hired unvetted removal companies lost their entire Google listing for 90 days or more. When you contact a reputation company, use this exact script to filter out the scammers. Say this word for word: "Can you walk me through the specific Google content policy you'll cite when disputing my review? And will you share the dispute submission with me before filing?" A real agency will immediately reference policies like prohibited content, conflict of interest, or fake engagement. They'll send you a draft of the dispute text. Scammers will dodge the question or say we have proprietary methods we can't share. That's code for we're going to spam Google and hope it works. ReputationZilla and other legitimate agencies will show you the exact wording they submit to Google's review team, including the policy section number and the evidence they attach. Can you walk me through the specific Google content policy you'll cite when disputing my review? And will you share the dispute submission with me before filing? Verify the company cites actual Google policies. Expect 3 to 7 days, not 24 hours. Get the dispute draft before they file. ReputationZilla handles Google review disputes the right way. Check the link below to get your reputation managed. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.